Hi, and welcome to Anne's Family Recipe. Today I'm making white chocolate Chex Mix. My white chocolate Chex Mix is so versatile and it's absolutely delicious. You can use this as a teacher gift, it's a great party snack, and today I'm using these pastel M&Ms and sprinkles, so it would be perfect for your kids' Easter basket. If you like what you see here today, please subscribe to my channel, and you can find me on Instagram at Anne's Family Recipe. Let's get started.